How do profilers use criminal typologies for linkage? Imagine trying to connect the dots between different crimes, but each one looks different at first glance. How do investigators see the pattern? That's where criminal typologies come into play. Profilers use these categories to organize offenders based on consistent behaviors, motives, and methods. Think of it as sorting a messy pile of clues into neat groups, making it easier to see connections. Criminal typologies classify offenders into types like organized versus disorganized, or mission-oriented versus hedonistic. Each type shows specific ways they plan, execute, and cover up their crimes. For example, an organized offender might carefully plan each step, leave little evidence, and target specific victims. A disorganized offender might act impulsively, leave evidence behind, and choose victims randomly. These patterns help profilers understand what kind of person they're dealing with. When analyzing multiple crimes, profilers look for behavioral consistency. That means offenders tend to repeat certain behaviors across different crimes. For instance, if two crimes involve similar victim types, similar methods of attack, or signature behaviors, they might be linked. Behavioral distinctiveness is also key. If an offender uses a unique signature or specific signature behaviors, that can set their crimes apart from others. Profilers compare crime scene evidence, victimology, and modus operandi, how the crimes are carried out, to see if they fit a particular typology. If two crimes share many traits that match a certain offender type, it suggests they were committed by the same person. This process is called linkage analysis. It helps law enforcement determine whether crimes are connected and if a serial offender is at work. To strengthen these links, profilers often use statistical tools and similarity measures. They might compare the distance between crime scenes, the time intervals, or the victim profiles. Sometimes they use computer algorithms or machine learning to analyze patterns more objectively. These methods support the initial qualitative assessment based on typologies. Using criminal typologies in linkage analysis simplifies complex behavioral data into understandable categories. It guides investigators to focus on specific offender traits and behaviors. This approach helps identify serial offenders more quickly and accurately, saving time and resources. Overall, it's a powerful way to connect the dots and build stronger cases against repeat offenders.